I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Acura RDX key fob. First, locate the small release button on the side of your fob. Press this button firmly and pull out the metal emergency key. This key is essential for manually opening your car door if the fob battery dies. Keep it safe, as we will use it to help open the fob itself. You will also need a small, flathead screwdriver. Now that the emergency key is removed, you will see a small slot where it was housed. This is your entry point. Take your small, flathead screwdriver and carefully insert its tip into this slot. Apply gentle pressure and slowly twist the screwdriver. You should hear a slight click as the two halves of the key fob begin to separate. Do not force it. A gentle twist is all that is needed. Once you have started the separation, continue to gently twist the screwdriver along the seam of the key fob. Work your way around the edge until the two halves fully separate. They should come apart with relative ease, revealing the internal circuit board and battery. Be mindful not to apply excessive force or pry too aggressively, as this could damage the delicate internal components or the plastic casing of your fob. With the fob open, you will see the small, round battery. Most Acura RDX key fobs use a CR 2032 coin battery. Note its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Use your screwdriver to gently pry out the old battery, then insert the new one, ensuring the positive side is correctly oriented. Snap the two halves of the fob back together until you hear a click, then reinsert your emergency key. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.